Hello guys! Welcome back to the video! Ang tagal na since i-uploadin ko na yung bago kong video. Pero ano, look at my garden. Have you seen it? Don't mind mo si Zombini, si Lubini, or si Jeffrey, or si Bibi Jaan. Ito lang, patingnan muna si Bibi. Patingnan muna si Bibi muna. Saan na ba siya? Saan na ba ang gago yun? Ayun! Huli ka, balbo. Oh my God! Did I get in here? Help me! Help me! Help me! Alright, so yun ang pinakang malaking kong mistake. Did I go to... Anyway, yun ang pinakang malaking kong big mistake. But, I got already packed in. These ones, my pork fence, pepper seed ko, basalite, sugar glazed donut, pitcher plant, lakoyati, at yung taco fern ko. At finally, the last one, the MVP, pancake mole. Tama yan. Yun ang pinakang useful pet ever. Yung oh yeah, yung pancake mole is the rare category from the rarities. Opo, yung rarities. At yung pancake mole, it will give you every 24 seconds digs out on the ground to find treasure, can dig up gear or shekels. At yung doon sa hindi ko binili, men ako, bibigyan niya ako ito. Just look at this monstrosity. He never gives me that, but he did. So this guy gives it a proof. Approve. So that anyways, ito yung bagong event. Kitchen storm meter. Malapit na po. Craving ni Crispy. Bagong so, nabisin ko na yun. Ito yung hot dog. 1 bell pepper. 1 pepper. Just normal pepper. At finally, the last one. Corn! As you might guess, yes, bakit ba kailangan mga hangang things? Spicy things. Why do you need spicy things? Number 2. Well, that's actually the recipe. Because look over here. Boom! Hot dog recipe. Unlock. Meat, bell pepper at pepper. Yung bread, corn. Hindi ko alam bakit ba yung corn naging bread pero who cares? I don't complain. Teka lang, ano ba yung isa pang recipe? Cactus. Pagiging ko cactus at cauliflower. 1 cactus at 1 cauliflower. Hindi ko din ginamit itong cactus for centuries. So I'm gonna use it right now. 1 cactus at 1 cauliflower. May pink cauliflower. Hindi yan worth much. Pero na nga. I got the cauliflower right over here. I got the cactus and the cauliflower. This is the most fire hot dog ever. So, mamaya na lang hintayin ko na lang for the drop. of 7 minutes. Are you guys ready for 7 minutes? Because I don't really give a fuck. I am not even family friendly. I'm just a fuck. Oh, I'm not even family friendly. I'm just a fuckinator. And number 2, that is not from the Number Blocks universe, but I'm from the Number Blocks universe, but I'm not, and I don't give a fuck out of that. I only swear, I only cuss. I don't give a fuck of one of you kids, bitches. Only 13 plus 13 can watch my videos, not some random not some random 5-year-olds, 4-year-olds, 3-year-olds, and 6-year-olds. Only lang mga plus 7-year-olds para mag-nod ng videos ko. Kung hindi nyo gaya-gayan yung cuss words. Kasi nga, dati pa, nagkakas ako. At dati nga, nagkakas pa din ako kasi nga doon sa isang panood. Like doon sa isang panood. Ha! Hindi ko sabihin yung daw. Full story, yung paano ako marunong mag-cuss. Anyways, let me go down. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouchies! Ah! I suffered many bruises. Still pa din I'm invincible. Let the world just pass me by. I offer no stress. Abuses let me by. Touch me, my house, take me full of your desire. None to guide us. So hintayin mo na lang kayo for 4 minutes. Like talagang 4 minutes. Wait, anyways, hintayin ko kayo 4 minutes. Like, literally, taking literally 4 minutes. This been my recording is over. Okay, so nag-messed up yung screen pero I'm just checking my percentage at malapit na tayo. So, hintayin natin na naman 20 pang seconds. Mag-ikot-ikot na lang ako. At then, I'll give you some tricks. So, nakita mo yung yung gano'ng kabilis yung gano'ng kabilis yung ganito. Ganun lang yung yung stud ko. Hindi ko lang gano'ng distance. But if you're English, you're not a fellow Filipino. But if you're that can speak Filipino English at the same time, then you can watch this video. If you're at the age of plus 13, then you will. So I got the lemonade. Want some lemonade? Lemonade. Do you want some lemonade? Any waddle away, waddle. Notice that. Oh my god, I got to get that. Anyways, any waddle away, waddle. Any waddle away, waddle. Any waddle away, waddle. Till the very next day, bop. Any waddle away, waddle. Any waddle away, waddle. Ginagawa ako yung buhay ko. Of course, kailangan ko naman. Didn't strike me! Philip freaking strike me! Philip strike me sa akin. It got strike. It strike me. How did it strike me down? That's impossible. I don't know if which one is which or which one is not. Considering that I don't know. Ano ba yun? Something. Ito lang, basahin ko muna yung... Aha! Ito na nga yung recipe. Isang cactus at isang... cauliflower. Also, why is it raining? It's raining. It's raining tacos. Come out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just put in your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Out of the streets. Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells. Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummy, yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummy, yum. When you're salad cream. Yan ang pinaka-most fire banger some Ooh, 8 minutes. Hey, let me do that again. One more time. Anyways, one more time for doing this rotation. For doing this controversial. Ano yung time ko lang, ito na naman. After ipa-chargean ko na naman yung cellphone ko. At the meantime, I'll give you some tips. So, alam mo ba, if you equip every kind of egg, don't equip just yet. Type /e-dance at magsasayaw ka. You're dancing. If you equip the egg, then you can jump very fast. Pero hindi naman yung magagana din sa akin kasi So, how's the weather going? It's raining. Anyway, mamaya na lang pag tapos na yung timer. So, I'll see you in a minute. Malapit na yung 1 minute. Almost there. Ang tagal na nga. Ito, sobrang tagal na. Pero this is worth it. This is worth it. So I'm just gonna adventure out to over here. Check on kung ano ba in stock. What's in stock? Sam, what's in stock? No, shut the fuck up. Teka lang. Teka lang guys. Teka lang, me. Teka lang. Set sail to the treasure. Sumangtario. Ooh. Hot dog is ready. Anyways, here you go. The hot dog you've been wanting for. Really? Freaking really? Wait. Kitchen storm. Bell pepper. Please. I need that. 2 times speed. I don't need it double corn. I just needed 1 freaking corn. And then cauliflower. Just 1 cauliflower. Ito na. One cauliflower. One. Ayan, finally. Uy! Let's ito, 2 times speed. Eh di mabilis pa to. Wait a minute! Did it say 2 times speed? I am number 2, and I like 2. And that is my name, number 2. And that is the year 2000 or 2014. I don't care. But that's an even number. You know what else is an even number? You know what else is an even number? You know what else is an even number? Yes, you're right. It is 2. It is number 2. Just like me. So, hintayin natin yung yung itong cooking speed ko. Kasi nga mabilis naman na to. So, okay. Mamaya na lang ako. Like, mabilis naman to. Eh, pero jokes for you. Malapit na yung mutation. See? Anyways, bukas na lang para bigyan kita yung isang special short doon sa TikTok at doon sa YouTube. Pagtapos na to, edi bigyan ko na doon kay Chris Pork yung the last hot dog at then ito na yung final time. At don't be so suddenly cringe kasi wala ako. Cut. Yeah, I hate this. I hate my life. Wow, I didn't notice that. Bilis na. Anyways, you can just play for another minute. Just over here. Tapos mag-ikot-ikot na lang. I like running around. Tapos naman ako already mutated. Stick with this. I don't have much money for that. But I have some. Hot dog is done already. So fast. Ito na nga. Yung sinabi ko, the final hot dog that giving to this time. Eh, pero mamaya na lang kasi ibigyan ako ng crap shit. Like crap prizes. So, bigyan ko na ito. Yan. At ito. As for the celebration, I'll put this one to over here. At ano ba kuinin ko? Bacon tiki! I already have the same one. Ooh, this one is little. But I already have the same one. I already have him right over here. He's a lot bigger. But he is cute. Anyways, ito na yung last time. So, bibiliin ko na pumpkin seeds at says ito, beanstalk. Mamaya na lang kuinin ko na beanstalk. Oh yeah, baby. Maybe like mga 5 episodes or mga 10 episodes. I don't know. Anong klaseng episode mo? I'm not here. I just wanted the freedom. Anyways, I got this quickly. So, mamaya na. Okay lang. Already finishing the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I need the subscribers and viewers and likes. So comment a heart and justice for the justice for Thomas the Tank and Jen. Justice for him. Oh my God. Ito na yung yung ending. Ito na yung final one. So, bye! Let me do an emote. Bye!